How to make a drag system in Roblox Studio. Create a part. Add a tag to the part named Draggable. Add a remote event to the replicated storage named Drag Event. Add local scripts to starter player scripts.
Writing the script.
This script lets the player click, drag, and move any object tagged as draggable. Getting services, setting up player, mouse, and remote event. Creates the glowing outline shown when the mouse is over a draggable object. Disables the highlight and forgets what object was hovered. Finding a draggable object. This checks if the part has a draggable tag. Getting the 3D mouse position. Uses a raycast to find where the mouse points in 3D world space. If mouse is over a draggable object, show highlight. If not, hide highlight. When left mouse button is pressed, start dragging. When the mouse is released, stop dragging. While dragging, sends the 3D mouse location to the server.
Add a script to server script service. Writing the script.
This script controls the physics drag system, creating and updating a line position. Get services and remote event. Drag settings. How far a player can drag. How strong the align position force is. How fast the dragged object reacts to movement. Stores each player's drag session. Cleanup function. This safely resets everything when dragging stops or the player leaves. The server listens for start, update, and stop actions. Triggered when the client clicks a draggable object. Distance check. Player must be close enough to the object. Clean old drag and create new attachments. Disable anchoring and save old state. Update drag triggered every 0.03 seconds from client. Stops invalid malicious updates. Ensures the player cannot drag the object farther than the allowed distance. Raycast to prevent dragging through walls. This line actually moves the object using physics. Stop drag, resets everything.
Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.